Everyday interactions, pang-araw-araw na pakikipag-ugnayan. What are you doing? Ano ang ginagawa mo? Why? Bakit? Where? Saan? When? Kailan? How much? Magkano? Just a moment. Sandali lang. What is that? Ano iyan? May I come in? Pwede bang pumasok? I'm leaving. Aalis na ako. Don't worry. Huwag kang mag-alala. That's amusing. Nakakatuwa. Please lower it. Pakibaba. Please bring it up. Pakiakyat. Hurry up. Bilis. You're amazing. Ang galing mo. I'm tired. Pagod na ako. I'm hungry. Gutom na ako. I'm thirsty. Uhaw na ako. It's near. Malapit na. It's still far. Malayo pa. Please come in. Tuloy po kayo. Please. Pakiusap. Finally. Sa wakas. What do you think? Ano sa palagay mo? I'm used to it. Nasanay na ako. How annoying. Nakakainis. Do you understand? Naintindihan mo ba? Help me. Tulungan mo ako. Come here. Pumunta ka dito. Let's go. Tara na. Thanks again for watching. Explore more videos where I dive into various aspects of learning Tagalog, from essential vocabulary to mastering everyday conversations. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Salamat po!